Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I belongs to Muzaffarpur district, Bihar. Today I am going to talk about aspirant life. As a aspirant life, what are the biggest challenges and what are the benefit and what what is aspirant? Who is a real aspirant and who is a fake aspirant? Who is a genuine aspirant and every student as a aspirant is it or not? I today i it will all explain in this video. Let's talk about that. Aspirant life. Aspirant, that means those types of student who prepare for exam, who want to crack and goes to dom sector, goes to this company and college and many other things. Every student not a aspirant. Aspirant, that means those students who is 100% dedicated for their goals, dedication and consistent daily study and routine follow everything to crack the exam requirement. If they not follow, it is just a student, not a aspirant. Aspirant, that means he is doing a good path to crack those examination and he will definitely crack them. In today's world, aspirant major challenge are social media. Because of social media, many of the aspirants are distracted because of social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, like YouTube, those profile distracted more and more. If once a time you distracted, it will go to like a long term. After that you realize your most of the time are wasted and your exam will come to a close and you go to this exam will fail and you will go to demotivated, and this cycle repeated once in a repeated cycle. This is a major challenge in social media. How to handle a social media in a good way? First of all, schedule your plan before sleeping in a day. Schedule your plan. What are the major topics today you want to cover, and if you want to give any types of mock test, practice set, subject test, topic test. First of all, cover them, and at the end, your priority will be social media. And most of the people are doing after wake up in the morning he will scrolling in Instagram reels, and their whole day will be goes waste, and their preparation and their motivation is going to low with time and time. So what is doing as a aspirant? First of all, schedule your day. What was doing, what is your today topic, what you want to be covered in today. First of all, cover them. After cover them, then focus on your revision topic revision, and at the end your priority will be social media and less than 30 minutes. If any requirement, then you install, otherwise uninstall them, because 1 to 2 year required as a good aspirant clear any types of exam. If you don't crack it, then use your social media. Nobody stop you, nobody, and you will also not get any types of things. But if you not wake up, close your eyes and then going to waste your time, then at the end you will regret them. At the on those time, I have to study in a good way, then today I will clear this exam. These types of regret you will doing after bad performance in exam. So first of all, focus on your major priority. If you coming from middle class family, then you will definitely do it because your first priority will be crack those exam. And some other distraction like you understand about that, man, good way. So avoid them, all of them. And third is you will not prepare in a good way as a aspirant. Prepare in a good way to clear those examination. What is the requirement of those examination? First of all, understand them and clear them. Okay. The examination, understand the need of examination and know the syllabus. First of all, cover the syllabus and practice more and more, and give a topic wise mock test or next. After that, you give also a subject wise mock test, and add the you give a final mock test called the exam like a mock test, and check your performance. What is your performance in a thousand of student? If your rank go in a good way, that means your percentile is around 80 85 and around 90%, you are a good. If your percentile is 95% more, then you are doing good in your preparation, very better performance in exam you can expect that. But not if but not if you score a good marks in a mock, then not a thing your exam will going to good, because exam pressure will be different. If you exam pressure handle in a good way, then your exam performance also going to good. And exam do your mindset and your priority and everything matter than most of things. Okay. And also focus on them. A student in today's world, student life are very challenging. If you study in abroad or in Delhi for preparation of government exam, then you have also have a more effort, because their rent fee, books, coaching fees is a lot more than online features. So I am not a study in other state, others place. I am a student, I am aspirant, and I am studying in my house. I have cleared SSC JEE prelims 2 times, gave no mains 1 times, but I don't think this exam will be clear. Like I don't expect it because my marks is low, so I don't think this exam will be clear. I also cleared diploma in civil engineering through Polytechnic. Study in 3 years, Gopalganj. There, all those friends are very good, and some some are working in a main post and some are working in a supervisor post. They are working and earn a good amount of salary, around 30 to 40,000 easily. And my batchmate who live with one room, there's they are crack NHPC jobs and their salary will be good amount. So let's see what's happening. So let's talk about any other benefits. As an aspirant, you will not have much pressure about financial any other thing if you are coming from a good and good amount of family. You have not any types of financial issue, but you have just around your study, then you have a good opportunity to crack any types of exam, because you don't have any types of pressure, upper or lower pressure, sorry, and a lower pressure to crack any types of examination. If you have pressure, then your performance will increase. If you handle good, if your handling pressure is going to good, but if you not handle pressure in a good way, then your performance is going to down. This calculator is by this calculator is buying in 2020 2020, and the price will be around 1000. He is their life in today's time is around 8 years. He is also doing our job in a good way, doing calculation in a good speed, and not a single time he is failure to calculate any types of calculation. His performance is very good, and I recommend that these types of calculator you can also use in their engineering course, because this type of calculator is very good, and my lots of friends are using also this calculator. I am not promoting this because not a single view in this video I know, because I want to talk and types of things. So I will show you. This is my calculator, and I am buying in 2020. Sorry, 2020, around coming 8 years. So this is their cover. This is a link laser pen, and close them. This. So, as a student life in today was very difficult, I know, but because social media, if you're poor, sorry, if you proper focus on your study, then competition is less, because if any types of government job, thousands of vacancy comes and lakhs of people are filling the form, but less of the people are cracking those exams because of the less amount of vacancy. So I think that if you if you prepare their pure full focus on the course, full focus on the examination, their syllabus, stick on one exam, single exam, and focus on their syllabus, cover them, and understand the previous year question and solve them multiple times, then and most of the time your exam will be clear. One or two attempts you will definitely clear. And I am doing some of the mistakes in my preparation journey, like I can't doing continuous study. After giving the exam, I will definitely 1 to 2 week or around a month breaks to take a second exam, and not prepare a single day. And every day see I am watching a movie around 4 to 5 in a single day, and not a skipping, not a any types of single normal speed. My movies watching power is very good. In a single day, I am watching around 8 movie in my college preparation. But in those time, I am doing less because my exam is not clear with time, and I am giving around 60 to 70 exam. But I not a single exam I will be clear. Pre exam many times I will clear, but means don't be clear in a single time. If I clear not this types of video, I will be shoot. So next day I will talk about 5 biggest mistakes of aspirant. Okay, today that's all about, and let's hope your exam is going well, and you will definitely clear those exam who thinks about that, and your goal will definitely clear. And this is my blessing, and please wish this time my exam will also clear. So I will give you some study to how to clear exam. So I don't understand what I am talking. I just talking in English, and what is coming in my mind I am talking about that. So don't think what is my I am talking. As an aspirant, what is coming in your mind on this topic, I am talking about that. But next day I am talking about failure of aspirant and success of aspirant. What is the difference between failure of a student and success of a student? What is the thin line between who crack the examination, who will not crack the examination, and lack of number he will not qualify? So next day I will talk about that. So today is all about that. So that's all about it. Abhishek Kushwaha signing out. Let's